Okay, here's the secret to the fountain of youth. Now, the fountain of youth is so simple. I mean, think of this. You're designed to live on this planet. You're designed to go to minimum 120 years. And why are we dying at 60, 70 years old? Because we're not living within our design parameters. Now, you're alive because you're able to take proteins and turn those into amino acids, fats into fatty acids, and carbohydrates into usable sugars. Now, you destroy a billion cells a day, you build a billion cells a day. So, if you build your cells faster than they break down, fantastic. That's called health. If you break down faster than you're building the cells, that's called a lack of ease or a disease. So now, three stressors you got to deal with: physical, chemical, and emotional. Physical stress. That means you've got to move every joint every day. This means exercise every day. You cannot get away from that. Movement deficiency syndrome is affecting our population. That's at an epidemic level. Kind of like what mom used to say, only brush the teeth you want to keep. Hey, only move the joints you want to keep. Okay, that keeps strength for forever. Then chemical stressors. Look at the nutrients you're taking in your body. They got to be as organic as possible, as free from preservatives possible, fresh and seasonal. You're going to eat like your great grandparents ate. Why? Because they were crazy. They only ate fresh, organic, whole food, seasonal. And that's how you're designed. Make sure you get healthy amounts of bacteria in the food. So, fermented foods to build the gut bacteria. The more processed, the more toxic food products that you're going to get. That means no heating up in a microwave. You live within your design parameters. Sleep is another one. Sleep, getting that deep restorative sleep. Look at our videos on how to get sleep. But by gosh, that's when your body breaks down a billion cells and builds a billion cells. So sleep is essential. And then emotional health. That we use neurolinguistic programming to teach our patients, but also you are in charge of your emotional health. So you can reprogram that subconscious. Prayer, meditation, positive mental attitude. That means visualization, because you cannot control what the environment is going to give you, but you can control your response to that environment. So, physical, chemical, and emotional health. And you're going to find out that your body regenerates a heck of a lot faster than it breaks down. You're going to have limitless energy and connection with others. This means more than likely turn off the standard TV. But God bless you. You are designed to live on this planet, and you are designed to live the full 120 years. God bless you, and enjoy life, because that's what we're here for.